Hello again.
Hello!
We've just been playing basketball and we got back and we've been playing for about 3 hours and all we did in that 3 hours was just sing this one song which we're going to do a cover of now. It's called Chocolate Rain. It's
Chocolate
by, It's by a kid,
Rain.
what's he called?
Tay Zonaday.
Tay Zonaday, right? And it's literally, this guy, I'm not sure where he's from, America, probably, more likely, if he writes a song like this. He is awesome. He wrote this song about chocolate rain. And this is chocolate falling from the sky, right? But it's got nothing to do with chocolate rain, which is the greatest thing about it. So you'll see what we mean. This one goes to Tay Zonaday and anyone that is sad enough to watch this. If you want to comment bad comments, go for it, because this is intended to take the mickey. So if you're technically commenting bad on us, it just makes you look stupid.
Pretty much, we're taking the piss now. Let's have some fun.
Let's have some fun. Right, this is a really fast song, so it's right. Okay.
Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Chocolate rain. Some stay dry and others still in chocolate rain. A baby born was I before this in chocolate rain. School books say it can't be here again. Chocolate rain. Prison makes you wonder where it went. Chocolate rain. Build a tent and say the world is dry. Chocolate rain. Zoom the camera out and see the light. Chocolate rain. Forecast to be falling yesterday. Chocolate rain. Only in the past is what they say. Chocolate rain. Raise your neighborhood insurance raise. Chocolate rain. Makes us happy living in a gay. Chocolate rain. Made me cross the street the other day. Chocolate rain. Made you turn your head the other way. Chocolate rain. History quickly crashing through your veins. Chocolate rain. Using views and pull back down again. Chocolate rain. Seldom mentioned on the radio. Chocolate rain. It's the fear that's used. Blah blah blah. Chocolate rain. Worse than swearing, worse than calling niggas. Chocolate rain. Say it publicly and you're insane. Chocolate rain. No one wants to hear about it now. Chocolate rain. Wish real hard it goes away somehow. Chocolate rain. Makes the best of our friends begin to fight. Chocolate rain. Did they know each other in the light? Chocolate rain. Everybody February watch chocolate rain. Stay behind its colours. Chocolate rain. The dirty secrets of economy. Chocolate rain. Turns that body into GDP. Chocolate rain. Flipping cards in France the other night. Chocolate rain. Cleans the sewers out beneath Mumbai. Chocolate rain. Lifts the ark of paradise. It's in chocolate rain. Which part do you think you're living in? Chocolate rain. Chocolate rain. Chocolate rain. And I want it now. I want it now. I want it all. I want it all.
I want
it
chocolate
now.
rain.
Chocolate rain. So basically, right, that is Chocolate Rain. And I'm not kidding you when I say that is Chocolate Rain. Chocolate Rain goes on for about 10 minutes and I've just cut about 17 verses out of that. But it's funnier when you see him doing it, because he goes, Chocolate Rain, something stage, and he doesn't breathe in the mic. And he even says, in little star things, little quotes, I breathe away from the mic when I breathe. Now, personally I don't get it. Apparently Usher does it. Who cares what Usher does? Not me. I know. Yeah, so that was Chocolate Rain with me and Sean.
Rock out.
We're really sad. Yeah, so if you want to comment saying, oh, you're crap, we know we are. Bye.